Suzuki Baleno Wagon van is a practical and versatile vehicle designed for both personal and commercial use. It offers a spacious interior, making it a great option for families and businesses that require a reliable mode of transportation. The exterior design is sleek yet functional, featuring a well-balanced body shape that enhances aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. The front grille, headlights, and bumper are designed to give the vehicle a modern yet professional look. Its compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver in urban areas while still providing ample cargo space. Under the hood, the Suzuki Baleno Wagon van is equipped with a fuel-efficient engine that delivers a balance of power and economy. Depending on the market, it is available with different engine options, including petrol and diesel variants, to cater to various driving needs. The engine is paired with either a manual or automatic transmission, providing smooth gear shifts and an effortless driving experience. With a well-tuned suspension system, the vehicle ensures a comfortable ride even on rough roads. The fuel economy is one of its strong points, making it an economical choice for daily commutes and long-distance travel. Inside the cabin, the Suzuki Baleno Wagon van offers a spacious and comfortable environment for passengers and drivers alike. The seats are designed to provide adequate support, making long journeys more comfortable. The dashboard is user-friendly, with easily accessible controls and an intuitive layout. Features such as air conditioning, power steering, and an infotainment system enhance convenience and driving pleasure. The cargo area is designed to accommodate a variety of goods, making it a practical choice for businesses that require transportation of products and equipment. Safety features in the Suzuki Baleno Wagon van are well integrated to ensure a secure driving experience. It comes equipped with airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, electronic brake force distribution, EBD, and seatbelt reminders. Some models may also include additional safety features such as parking sensors, a rear-view camera, and traction control for added stability on the road. These safety enhancements make it a reliable choice for both families and commercial use. The maintenance cost of the Suzuki Baleno Wagon van is relatively low, making it a cost-effective choice for those looking for a vehicle with long-term durability. The availability of spare parts and a strong service network further adds to its appeal. Whether used for personal transportation or business logistics, this vehicle delivers a blend of efficiency, reliability, and affordability. With its practical design, fuel-efficient performance, and ample space, the Suzuki Baleno Wagon van remains a popular choice in its segment, catering to a wide range of users who need a dependable and functional vehicle.